A cold front on the move through central Indiana this afternoon will bring the chance for a few scattered showers, but these will be light and they will be brief as they move through. It will, however, bring in quite a temperature spread. Only around 60 degrees this afternoon in Peru, 70s though. Bloomington to Columbus and tonight we're all cooler, down into the 40s, 39 in Lafayette. We'll bounce back on Monday with dry conditions into the mid-60s, and as kids are heading out to trick-or-treat on Monday evening, dry conditions, temperatures holding right around 60 degrees.